cast shadows on the wall, whispering the stories that we thought we'd lost. Look at these old photos fading into gray, two young souls who try to chase the storm away. We gave life to miracles, watched our children grow, built a world together, and we let it go. If I could turn the clock, go back to the start, stand beneath that rain with an open heart, knowing all the pain, knowing how it is. Would I walk away or hold your hand again? If the rain falls again, I would walk straight in. I won't run from the storm, won't regret a thing. Every tear we cry, every life we burn, made this fragile life full of sacred words. Time takes the youth but leaves the love behind. Standing in the quiet, peace is what